What's up everybody, welcome back. And today we're going to do the first mod you should do when you have a 18 to 23 Jeep Wrangler. Replace this ridiculous antenna that's 3 feet tall. It's probably not even the whole shot just because it's so long. We are going to replace that today with a stubby antenna. I'm going to show you how to do it now. Alright guys, so you only need one tool really, is just grab a wrench of some sort and you'll come down here and it has little cutouts for your wrench, so you just get in there, we'll twist this off. It should be loose enough where you can twist it off by hand. Just keep twisting it and it'll come off like that and pitch that thing away. Alright guys, so I purchased this little stubby antenna off Amazon. I'll link it down in the descriptions, but it comes with the antenna and a little adapter piece. So what you do is you put the fender end into here, just twist it down by hand. And if it's a little harder to twist in, just use some pliers and just get it started. Get it all the way down there. Just make sure it's tight. Alright, so next and final step is just installing the antenna to that adapter. And it should just twist on like this. Alright. So that was a pretty simple install. We went from this gigantic thing that slaps all over your paint and windshield to this nice stubby one. I'll link it down in the description like I said. Remember to like this video, subscribe if you haven't. We're going to continue making more videos. See you soon.